Did a little bit of this where we use the Beauty in the City eye pencil. Actually, it's not an eye pencil. That's what I think it's an eye pencil. We're using it as an eye pencil. We're using the Beauty in the City eyebrow pencil as an eye pencil. Thank you guys so much for joining. Francis, thank you for joining. Peony, thank you for joining. Of course, follow, check out our store. What I like about this is you have more maneuvering. If you want the cattails, it's so much easier because the pencil point is really fine. And so let me put that up a little bit. And so the pencil point here is really, really, really fine. And so you can do a lot with that. And it's designed that way so that you get a very nice feathered look with your brows, right? But I'm using our brow pencil. Melbourne, thank you for joining. I'm using our brow pencil to actually highlight our, I used it also as eyeliner. I want to come in with our diamond. We don't do that often, but this is great this is probably our Mercury, which I love. Okay. They're fun. Let me swatch this for you. This is our eye pencils. They're part of the eyeliner kit. I probably need a little sharpen on it. What's great about Mercury is that we're going to also use diamond, and so the three colors there are the Ninja, the Mercury, the Diamond. We have a few other colors that we offer like snakeskin, and then we have a blue one, which is kind of fun, the navy blue one. And believe it or not, that lately has been selling out. We've been getting requests for it, and that's a really good one as well. I'm going to sharpen our metallic so I can swatch it for you. This one is our Mercury eyeliner, and so it's kind of like a metallic gray, a slate gray with a little bit of metallic color to it, and so it gives a lot of pop. All of our eyeliners can be used also as eyeshadows, right? And so you use them as an eye crayon, right? I'm going to use this, and I am going to go under the eye to get a little dramatic look there. And then I'm going to go also on top of the eye, on top of the previous liner. Queen Bee, thanks so much for joining. We're demonstrating Beauty in the City products. Let us know if there are products you want to see. Not as dramatic as I'm thinking it would be. We're just using the Mercury eyeliner. If you guys have any questions, you can also use it as a shadow. I'm going to use it as a shadow on this eye and see if I like that a little bit better. When I say dramatic, I really want to see it. And so we're using Mercury. I think you get more drama when you use it as a shadow. So let us know. You can kind of come in and use these as shadows. And we're trying to do a little bit something more dramatic, right? How do we get a little drama with Beauty in the City? Yes, we say we're 2-minute vegan glam, but if you have a little more, if you have 5 to 10 minutes, you can definitely do a little more drama and go a lot glam. And so we've used this as our shadow for the day. What I would do if I use that is I would come in and use our Beauty in the City glitter stick. This is a swatch of our metallic glitter stick. We call it, I don't know why I call everything metallic today, Millennium, but it's the gold. And so you can also rub it in, you can use it all over your body as well. And so as you can see, just a little bit will kind of buff out. I used to tell customers that you only need one of these. And then I met a customer that came to an event and she said, oh no, I need another one. I'm on my second glitter stick. And I said, oh, wow. And she's like, yeah, because in the summer I'm really cute and I'm using it on my legs and on my arms and when I go out. And I said, oh, I said, well, I clearly may not be that cute in summer because I'm not using it in all those places, but I should be. Now, let's see. Let's add on the Beauty in the City Mascara. Why our mascara? Well, the brush is gentle. The formula is vegan. It's very hard to get a really good performing vegan formula. You're going to get lash extension and volume there. And so we're going to use this as well. Thank you so much for joining. Liz, let us know if you have any questions. It's like, I love to keep these interactive. We're just trying to make sense of it all. What else should we cover, guys? Take a look at the shop. Let us know. It's so fun to get on with you guys. And this is like a little lunchtime hello. I'm trying to keep cognizant of the time. And then here we go. I don't know if you guys go in as much as I do, but I like to have a really dark lash. Thanks so much, folks, for joining us. Let us know if you have any questions. T-Girl, check out the shop. Well, I love that. T-Girl 77, that is the cutest thing. I used to always pick 17 rings. They're so nice. Goldie, thanks for joining. Morale, thanks for joining. Check out the shop. Yes, say hello. We love that. I'm not police. I always have a dark under eye, but today I don't, which is kind of nice in a way. All right, let's use the Be in the City Miami blush. This is our blush in Miami. I'm actually going to use some of this, but we can try another blush color as well. And so this one is like a little orangish. Let us know what you want to see. Yeah, we can totally take a look at the Satisfied color. That's a very popular one. I love it. I usually put a little blush, a tiny bit here. Style 8. Thanks so much for joining. I want to get to some lip liner. So we just did the Miami. Let me know. You can not just get ready with me. You're so interactive, and so I love when you ask some questions. Right now I'm going over the spice, right? And so we're gonna get to, we had a question that was asking about our Satisfied blush. Then we're looking at spice. This is our nude. We're also gonna look at another color. I'll start with the nude because the other color we can kind of line and then come in and wash so you guys can see. I already lined my lip.